the channel. Okay, let's start the video. First we will draw a rectangle using the rectangle tool. Okay, we don't have to fill the rectangle with any color, but in the stock we will make in 1pt. Okay, then we go to effect and click on wrap, and there you have to click on inflat. Next we will adjust rectangle a little bit. Next we will draw a triangle using the star tool. After drawing the triangle, we will rotate it. And along with that, we will also fill it with color. Then we will select the both and center them using the vertical align center tool. Select both and convert them into a group. After that, we will go back to effect and click on 3D and then click on extrude and bevel. Here you will make some setting like this and your 3D logo is ready. Along with this, guys, we will also create a nice mockup design for this. For that we will have to go to Photoshop. Here we have already opened a mockup design file. After this we will go to the layer and here it is written your logo here. Double click on it and new file will open for you. After that we will go to file and click place embedded, and from here we will select the file that is on your system and place in it. After this, if we close this file, the option of save is visible here, so we have to click save on it. So guys, this is how our logo mockup design is ready. If you like the video, then be sure to express your opinion in comment section. We will meet a new video. Until then, take care of yourself. Okay, thank you very much.